What up, guys? Back again. Out here at the old little planking range. Not a lot of room. I only shoot like 22s and stuff here. But there's the old boat, by the way, covered up. Might take her out one more time, but I'm out here with the revolvers. What I did, I switched the Buffalo nickel cylinder, the 22 mag, out of the 4 3/4 inch. I put the 22 long rifle cylinder in this one. I'm gonna shoot six out of the longer barrel, and 22 long rifle. I got some of this cheap yellow Super X junk from Walmart. See if it even functions. Then I'm gonna fire 6 of the mags out of the little short barkeep here to just let you guys hear how loud and shit it is. So maybe got my gloves on here, and I got that target at the bottom of my air conditioner, an orange target. I'm probably not gonna hit anything. This is not zeroed. I have it approximately at like 30 yards, but this is 10, so we'll see if I can get close to anything with it. Like I said, I'm standing right here, about 10 yards, so see what happens. Let me put you down here for a second. Get my gloves on. Alright. Try to get this in focus. Damn thing back. Alright, see what happens. No ears for this one. Sure where I'm hitting. Yeah. Let's go see. I haven't shot that gun in a while, so that's not bad. I mean, there was 2 on there. And there's 2. Yeah, I was shooting left. I can't tell, there's a couple there for sure. So I got 2, just one hand, free hand, trying to hold the camera. At 10 yards, that's... Up and down, it's decent. The windage, I'm guarantee it was shooting over here. Let's walk back and we'll put 6 through the, I'll put my ears in for that, because that thing's ridiculously loud. I'm not going to hit anything with that, and not at 10. I just, that's a get off me. But I'm going to put you down here. Actually, I'm going to put you down and pause you. And then I'm going to load up this mag, and then we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. Put my gloves on here. Got her loaded up. What do y'all think? Got the mask, got the hat, got the shirt. Happy Halloween. Let's do some shooting. I'll fire 6 more out of this. I haven't shot this in a while. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be loud. That's the mag. Get my ears out here. Yeah, that little thing kicks. That's a violent little gun. I don't think I hit anything. That's not a 10-yard gun. That's like a 3-yard gun. I was probably shooting. Yeah, I didn't hit nothing. Like I said, that's a gimmick gun. That's just a close-up personal gun. I was hitting them a couple of years ago. Me and Kyle were shooting at 20 up on the rest. And I was shooting at a target about the size of that air conditioning unit. And I was putting it on paper, but that was with, you know, about a half hour of going through ammo and then compensating. But 2 on the paper from the freehand long rifle. Couple just off on what, a 3x3 target. Okay, acceptable for a gun I do not shoot much at all. And then the barkeep, nothing on the paper, but fun nonetheless. Check them out. It's the barkeep and the little 4 3/4. But I'm going to end this one. You guys, like I said in my last video on the tabletop, you guys have a good Halloween. Stay safe. You know, if you're going trick-or-treating, friends, family, loved ones, watch them. It's the time of year where people like to pull pranks and tricks that go a little far sometimes, and they take advantage of that. So, yeah, just be on your P's and Q's, and get out and shoot. It's been a while since I put any shooting videos on here, but I figured, hell, it's Halloween. It's 80 degrees, I'm sweating, it's hot, I'm sick. But hope you guys at least enjoyed that a little bit. Back here at the little compound. Not, like I said, we only shoot low-powered 22s and shit here. Because not too far, we got people. But nothing directly back there. So, that's why we shoot here. And we did have all this piled up as backstops. But, you see, this is just fucking hillbilly shit, bro. It's an old mower deck. We had all propped up. There's an old stump there. This stump was on top of that stump, and this was on top of that, so it was up here, and that, the old mower deck was as a backstop. These tires were closer together here, but, and that's our burn pit, cinder blocks, and I think it was about a month ago, it was the end of August, September, sometime around there, I think it was early September, we came out that far side and this back side of the burn pit. All the blocks were down, and this whole thing, besides these tires on this side, the air conditioner was laying here. I just picked it up, but all this was moved. There was a black bear, about a 24 and 500 black bear to come in here, just moved everything, did what it wanted. So he may be dead, because there was a couple bear taken around here and archery in a muzzleloader. I'm not sure if it was him or not. It was a male though. But yeah, this is our little planking range. Can't do much, but 22 is about it. And some shotguns here and there, as you see. Every now and then I'll come out with the old 45, but no rifles, no, high-powered rifles or anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna get off here, go get something to eat, take a shower, and get ready for Friday. high school football tomorrow, first round of the playoffs, but here in PA. But you guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Comment down below. Leave a comment about my shooting, about my barkeep, about whatever. Just say hi. I hope everybody's doing good. And we will see you on the next one. I'll get off of here. Y'all have a good Halloween. Have a good weekend. And we'll see you on the next one later on.